Hey guys, so this might be the last fan of the night,
Last fan of the night.
or it might be the second to the last fan of the night,
Second last fan of the night.
which is also the penultimate fan of the night.
Penultimate fan of the night.
Thank you. I was wondering if you were going to pull that one off, and you did. Well done, your metalness. So this is the final church blender from the church. Again, you guys have probably seen, I think it's public by now, the actual, okay, there's a vacuum coming out, and I'm not sure why.
Well,
I'm suspicious.
Well, you said you started putting it in your sponsorship.
I did?
Yeah.
Okay.
You did.
Okay, well, we'll have vacuum sponsors today, too.
Yeah,
I think I just said buy Powermate.
Well, what do you think that is?
Anyhow, not to skip ahead to the end of the video,
Yeah.
but this is the by the way, if you want to see a lot more about vacuums, go to patreon.com/dspiffy, and there's some vacuum related surprises there. So this is the fifth fan out of that Catholic church in northern Wisconsin that was demolished.
Yeah,
And
or more so salvaged
yeah,
in a way.
deconstructed even.
Right, it wasn't bulldozed or...
Right, with no wrecking ball. They literally took it apart brick by brick, board by board, so they could keep it out of the landfill. And I got the fans and a couple of the lights. Well, we did.
Yep.
And well, actually more than a couple of the lights, because we got those silver bullets too. We got 2 big stage lights and then those little silver bullets, which I'm not. I didn't see those silver bullets in the church picture, so I'm not 100% positive they came out of the same church, but it sure looks like it. So, yeah, everything about that's very cool. Anything you want to say, your medalist?
Well, not this time, because I kind of said everything about
And
these.
This is the canopy that it was mounted with. I assume
yes.
it replaced a light fixture.
That's what we were thinking.
Probably like a really old-fashioned, like almost like a schoolhouse type light fixture, something like that, because it looks a little plain to be one of those really fancy, ornate church light fixtures.
Yeah, those lantern type things.
Yeah. So this probably predated those.
Yeah.
Okay, we ready?
Yes. So we are going to...
The last 2 have had no inrush. You going to think anything other than no inrush?
No, I'm going to say no inrush,
Okay.
this one.
I think that was just the canopy rattling.
Ricker sheep.
Ricker sheep.
So it went up. We also changed the capacitor in this
That's
one.
true. That's a good point. I forgot about that. We've been making all of them 10 microfarads instead of 9.
And that actually brought them closer to what they're rated for.
That's true.
So we're actually getting what we should be getting out of these.
That's fair.
I kind of wondered if that's what they were putting in all of these K55s were 9s and they...
I've seen some with 8s, and I think I've seen some with 10s. I know I've seen some with 8s. So I think there were a few different variations.
Yeah, but the thing is, even though they're rated for an amp or so...
Yeah. Power factor of 1?
Let's see, it should be 120 watts. So yes, a power factor of 1.
Whole power factor. Okay, well, let's see how many RPMs it is. The other ones have been around 240.
Yeah.
These have been great running fans. Yeah.
This one keeps saying 660. It looks faster than that.
It does. Let me do the math on that just in case, but it does look faster than that. That would only be 220. I mean, that's not that far off, but it does look faster than 220.
Yeah. Like 671.
Well, that could be it. It could be a little slower than the other ones. That's like 224. So we're still pretty close.
Yeah.
Let's see if the CFM's any different.
Okay.
Like I said, since our tests are not 100% scientific, sometimes it could be a difference in our test as opposed to a difference in the actual performance.
HF-49.
Same as the other ones.
Yeah.
Right on, like literally right on the nose. The other ones have all been, so that'd be about 9,600.
Yep.
Okay, well here comes the spin down. This one was dustier than the other ones. Not sure why. We assume that this one would have either been in the balcony or over the pulpit, but I can't say which. I'm gonna see if I can pull up that video.
I thought I saw it over the pulpit.
I thought so too, but let's. It's not 8 yet.
Suck 'em so that.
There's a regular one. A regular one. It does kind of look like that could be the larger canopy over the pulpit, doesn't it? And that would definitely be a shorter down rod there because the ceiling's lower. So I'm going with this one's over the pulpit.
Yeah.
Those chandeliers are amazing. I wish I could have got them, but I mean, where would I put them?
Right.
If you think those stage lights are big, look at how big those were.
Oh.
I mean, those are as big around as the fans are almost.
Yeah.
Like you saw the picture of one of those sitting next to the fans, maybe?
A picture of what?
From the salvage store?
Yeah.
Let me see if I still have it. I might have.
Oh. Yeah, it's still going.
Still going.
Delicious. Very.
Oh, it's not in the shot. I thought it was in the shot. That's too bad. I wonder if it's in the video I took there at the salvage store. Probably not.
Oh, opening up a Sperry.
Gotta crack open a nice fresh Sperry.
Yep.
Do I still have the video from the salvage store? Got one of them. I think the other one didn't make it. Okay, well, where do you think it's gonna start?
I think this could start at 3 again.
Okay, I'll say 4 again.
All right. 1, 2, 3. Ricker sheep.
I'm going with sheep today.
Okay. Okay, it started on 3.
It sure did. Metal Pete wins.
Okay. Here's 4. So far, these all prove to be 8, 12, 20 fans.
That's true. Crunch, 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 crunch.
Yes, fine. But this time I'm using my K63 on a solid state because I'm impressed with that.
Seems to work pretty well.
These do. These seem to. Here's 5. 6. 7.
Okay. Everybody be careful. That 7's actually a pretty nice low.
Yeah.
Is there a control that starts on 7?
Yes. I believe in
That
the...
Minka one?
Yes.
Yeah.
That Minka air, but it's 7, 9, and 16.
Interesting.
Yeah, because they... I think I got that out of a scrap bin at Fanimation that just happened to have one.
Interesting that a Minka control was there.
Yeah.
That means one of two things. Either they make fans for Minka, or that somebody returned a Minka fan to them by mistake.
Could be.
You ready?
Yes.
Here we go.
8.
Crunch, 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 crunch.
Don't forget.
Spirit, beverage of fan collectors.
8 is a perfect low on this. 9. 10. Nope. 11.
Everybody get ready. Time to put on all your protective gear.
And 12.
Crunch, 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 crunch. Crunch, 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 crunch.
And a perfect medium low right there.
Yep.
The most common speed I would see these on.
Yep. Often used to bring the heat down in churches.
Yep. 13. 14. 15. 16. 17. 18.
Okay, get ready, everyone.
19. 20.
Crunch, 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 crunch.
And 22. 25. 30. 31. 35. And 40. So I'm still under.
All the rest of them so far have been silent.
Yep. I'm going to go with silent on this one. Yeah, and of course, as I said, would be perfect for a church setting.
Yeah.
You know, it's being that silent. And that's typically what they'd be on. All right. Ready? Let's see.
Yep.
Well, I said silent.
Yep. I mean, I can't say anything else because all the other ones have been silent. So.
That's silent.
It's silent. Part of it too, I think, that this particular test setup here in the bay, I think is pretty conducive to quiet fans. Like sometimes there might be fans that might be quiet, it might be loud in other places or quiet here, because you know that can be a factor as well. This is a good place for quiet fans, which is interesting because I'm not sure what fan it is, but something when we turn on all the fans out here is very noisy.
Okay.
Like when you go turn on the bay fans,
The bay.
well, like not like all of Bay Organ Shop Peak.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well,
Okay. Is that everything?
it is.
Okay, well, it's time. Well, okay, before we sign off this video, it's 12:30. Do you think we'll do one more, or is this the last one?
This would be the last.
This is the last one. Okay, so this is the last fan of the night.
Last fan of the night.
So, as always, we want to thank our sponsors.
Yes.
Our original sponsor, our legacy sponsor, the company that made everything possible, the product that made everything possible. That is FanStick. What is the slogan for FanStick, your medalist?
FanStick is the
Solution to all of our problems. To find out more, go to buyfanstick.com. Fanstick.biz, lightstick.biz, and for Florida FanStick, which is 69% longer and harder than regular FanStick, go to buyfanstickxxx.com. So, I was eating my lunch earlier. I'll probably eat my dinner when I get home, as late as it is. And it'll be pretty good, but you know what I wish it could be?
A taco burrito.
Taco Burrito Mexico.
That's
and
right.
One of these days we'll have to go back up there. We'll have to take Rick. Rick's never been there.
Yeah.
And then we'll make sure that we wash it down with a nice, refreshing Sperry, the beverage of fan collectors.
That's right.
Speaking of Rick, we got to play Rick or Sheep a little bit earlier,
Yes.
and you too can play Rick or Sheep. All you have to do is go to rickorsheep.com.
Yes.
You also heard from our sponsor, the 81220 LLC, where our motto is crunch, 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 crunch. Of course, he leans into the phone to make sure that you hear the crunching. Is that all the sponsors?
Oh, the Good Manufacturing.
Oh, that's right. The Good Manufacturing Company, who generously provided some of the lighting for this video. Good Manufacturing Company, when excellence is too much. Have you seen Metal Jonas lately?
Doorbell. Oh, one word of doorbells and organs. Oh, give me some more doorbells and do you have any Homestead catalogs?
What do you think of House on the Rock, Jonas?
Oh, House on the Rock. One word, incredible. One word, overwhelming. One word, magnificent. One word, marvelous. One word, amazing. Wow.
Sounds pretty good. Well, if you want to hear more from Metal Jonas and see other cool behind-the-scenes footage, you can go to patreon.com/dspiffy. As always, thanks for watching, and oh no, we got to buy FanStick and buy PowerMate.
Here's PowerMate. Right there, it says.
PowerMate.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching. Buy
You can
FanStick.
watch PowerMate in use behind the scenes.
That's true. There are PowerMate vacuums featured in behind-the-scenes footage. You too can be part of the extreme metal that happens when PowerMate meets Blenderfan.
Yes.
So, thanks for watching. Bye, FanStick.